ensures faster performance, smooth multitasking, reduced lag, efficient gaming experience, quick loading times, and improved productivity for demanding applications. Today's video is about top 5 best RAM for gaming and productivity that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Pascal DDR4 laptop, RAM 32GB kit. This 32GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM kit is a powerful upgrade designed to instantly boost laptop performance for both productivity and gaming. With high-speed 3200 MHz operation, it delivers noticeably faster system responsiveness, shorter application load times, and smoother multitasking, making everyday computing far more efficient. Whether you're editing large files, running multiple browser tabs, or playing modern games, the dual-channel 2x16GB configuration ensures stable and consistent performance without bottlenecks. Installation is extremely simple thanks to its plug-and-play JetX standard design. It automatically runs at 3200 MHz CL22 speed without BIOS tweaking, making it beginner-friendly even for first-time upgraders. Compatibility is broad, supporting major laptop brands like Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, and Acer, as long as they support DDR4 and modern Intel or AMD mobile processors. Built with quality-tested components, it ensures long-term reliability and low heat output at just 1.2 V, making it energy-efficient and stable for compact laptop systems. Now our second product is Gigastone 32GB kit. This 32GB DDR4 3200 MHz SODIMM RAM kit is an excellent upgrade for users who need faster performance, smoother multitasking, and dependable everyday computing. Featuring a 2x16GB dual-channel configuration, it significantly improves system responsiveness, helping laptops, notebooks, and all-in-one PCs handle demanding workloads with ease. Whether you're running office software, creative applications, virtual meetings, or multiple browser tabs, the added capacity provides a noticeable boost in efficiency. Operating at DDR4 3200 MHz, PC4-25600. This memory delivers solid bandwidth for quicker data access and reduced lag during intensive tasks. The CL22 latency balances speed and stability, making it suitable for both productivity and casual gaming setups. Its non-ECC, unbuffered design with 260-pin SODIMM form factor ensures compatibility with most consumer laptops and compact systems. Running at just 1.2 V, it remains power efficient while generating less heat, which is ideal for portable devices. With broad compatibility across many systems, this RAM kit is a reliable and cost-effective way to extend your computer's lifespan and overall performance. Our third product is Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM 32GB. The Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM remains one of the most trusted memory kits for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts who want reliable speed with strong overclocking potential. Built with hand-sorted memory chips, it delivers consistent performance while offering generous headroom for users who like to fine-tune their system for extra power. Its wide compatibility is a major advantage, as it's optimized for the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. That makes installation smoother and reduces setup issues across many modern builds. The low-profile 34mm design is especially valuable for compact or small form factor systems, ensuring clearance with larger CPU air coolers and tighter cases. Corsair also uses a high-performance PCB to improve signal quality and stability, which helps maintain dependable operation at higher frequencies. The solid aluminum heat spreader efficiently manages heat, allowing the modules to sustain fast clock speeds during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Overall, Vengeance LPX combines proven reliability, sleek design, excellent compatibility, and performance tuning potential, making it an outstanding DDR4 memory upgrade. Now number 4, Gigastone Game Turbo 32GB kit. This 32GB DDR4 3200 200 MHz UDIM kit is an excellent performance upgrade for gaming desktops that need faster memory, smoother multitasking, and stylish RGB lighting. With a 2x16 GB dual-channel configuration, it provides enough capacity for modern gaming, streaming, content creation, and demanding multitasking without slowdowns. Games load faster, background applications run smoothly, and overall system responsiveness improves noticeably. Running at DDR4 3200 MHz, PC4-25600, with a low CL16 latency, this kit delivers an ideal balance of speed and quick response times. Compared with higher latency memory, CL16 helps reduce delays, making it especially useful for gaming and performance-focused builds. The non-ECC unbuffered UDIM design with 288 pins ensures compatibility with supported desktop motherboards. That a major highlight is the built-in RGB lighting with 8 individual LEDs, adding vibrant customization options to match your gaming setup. Support for Intel XMP 2.0 and AMD Ryzen platforms makes overclocking simple, allowing users to enable rated speeds with minimal setup. Overall, this memory kit combines speed, low latency, RGB style, and overclocking support for a strong desktop upgrade. And our last choice is OWC 32GB PC1920 DDR4. The OWC 32GB DDR4 2400 MHz SODMM upgrade is a dependable choice for users looking to improve older systems, especially 2017 Apple iMac models and compatible PCs. Built to JEDEC specifications, this 260-pin DDR4 module operates at 1.2V for efficient power use while maintaining stable everyday performance. It's ideal for boosting responsiveness, reducing slowdowns, and improving multitasking with demanding applications. That a major strength of this upgrade is its broad compatibility. It is specifically designed for 2017 iMac 27-inch and 21.5-inch models, while also supporting select laptops, notebooks, all-in-one PCs, NAS devices, Synology systems, and POS machines. That flexibility makes it valuable for both home and professional environments. As a non-ECC, non-register module, it targets consumer and business systems needing reliable standard memory rather than enterprise server hardware. OWC also stands out for customer support, offering a lifetime limited warranty, advanced replacement program, and free technical assistance. Overall, this memory upgrade combines trusted compatibility, dependable performance, and excellent long-term support. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.